Have you ever wondered why the law of attraction seems to work for everyone else but not for you? You've read the books, watched the videos, maybe even tried affirmations, yet here you are, feeling stuck, frustrated, and wondering if there's something wrong with you. Let me tell you right now, it's not your fault. The truth is, there's something critical that most people overlook when trying to manifest their dreams, and that's exactly what we're uncovering today. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real reason why the law of attraction hasn't worked for you yet and, more importantly, what to do to finally make it work. So, if you're ready to shift your reality and unlock the abundance you've been searching for, hit the subscribe button right now, because this is the content that's going to transform your life. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it and comment below with one thing you've been struggling to manifest. Now, let's dive in. The biggest reason the law of attraction might not be working for you is something most people never realize: your unconscious limiting beliefs. These are the deep, hidden thoughts that silently shape your reality, whether you're aware of them or not. You might say, "I want to be wealthy," but if deep down you believe that money is the root of all evil, or that rich people are greedy, you're unknowingly pushing abundance away. Your subconscious mind is like a powerful engine. It drives your actions and shapes your energy. If it's running on outdated, negative beliefs, it doesn't matter how many affirmations you say. Those beliefs will block your manifestations. Think about it for a moment. How do you really feel when you think about success, wealth, or abundance? Do you feel excited? Or do doubts creep in? Like, do I really deserve this? That inner conflict is the hidden saboteur stopping the law of attraction from working. The good news is, you can reprogram those beliefs starting right now. Grab a pen and paper and write down your biggest financial or personal goals. Next, ask yourself, what negative thoughts or feelings come up when I think about achieving this? Be brutally honest. Once you identify those beliefs, flip the script. For example, if you believe, "I'll never be rich because I didn't grow up with money," replace it with, "My past doesn't define my future, and I am open to receiving abundance." The more you practice this, the more you'll start to notice shifts in how you think, feel, and act. And if you're finding value in these insights so far, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more life-changing strategies. Also, share in the comments, what's one belief you've uncovered that's been holding you back? Let's start a conversation about this, because awareness is the first step to transformation. And stay with me, because the next step is going to bring even more clarity to unlocking the life you deserve. One of the most common reasons the law of attraction isn't working for you is a lack of clarity. Let me ask you this. Are you absolutely clear about what you want? Most people aren't. They say things like, "I want to be successful," or "I want more money," but those are vague desires, and the universe doesn't respond to vague instructions. Think of it like this. If you're using GPS but don't put in a specific destination, how can you expect to arrive where you want to go? That's exactly what happens when your goals lack precision. Take a moment to think about your biggest dream. Now, ask yourself, is this specific enough? Can I clearly describe what this looks like, feels like, and even sounds like in my life? For example, instead of saying, "I want more money," try, "I will make $10,000 a month from my online business." Or instead of saying, "I want to be happy," say, "I will wake up every morning feeling energized, living in my dream home, and doing work I love." The more specific and detailed you are, the stronger the connection you create with your goals. Clarity is powerful because it helps you visualize your dream life with laser focus. When you can see it clearly, you can feel it, and when you can feel it, you start attracting it. But it all starts with defining exactly what you want. So, take a few minutes today to write down your goals as if they've already happened. Be bold, dream big, and as you do this, let yourself feel the excitement and gratitude as if it's already your reality. If this message is hitting home for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical insights like this. Hit the like button if you're committed to gaining clarity on your goals, and share this video with someone who needs this reminder. And tell me in the comments, what's one specific goal you're going to focus on from this point forward? I'd love to hear what you're manifesting. Stick around, because the next step will show you how to align your emotions with your vision and supercharge your manifestations. Another major reason the law of attraction might not be working for you is emotional misalignment. Here's the thing. The universe doesn't respond to your words, it responds to your feelings. You can say affirmations all day long, like I am abundant or I attract wealth, but if deep down you feel anxious, doubtful, or desperate, that's the energy you're sending out. And that's the energy you'll attract back into your life. Take a moment and think about this. When you focus on your goals, how do you really feel? Are you excited, confident, and full of gratitude? Or do you feel a pit in your stomach, wondering if it's even possible for you? This is where many people get stuck. They focus on what they want, but their emotions contradict their desires. If you're asking for financial freedom while feeling stressed about your bills, you're creating a mixed signal that blocks your manifestations. The solution is to align your emotions with the reality you want to create. Start by imagining your dream life in vivid detail. Close your eyes and see yourself living it. Picture the home, the career, the relationships, everything you desire. Now, focus on how that feels. Do you feel joy, peace, or gratitude? Let those emotions flood your body as if it's happening right now. The more you practice this, the more you'll align your emotional state with the energy of your goals. This small daily habit is transformative. Spend just 5 minutes a day visualizing your dream life and truly feeling it in your heart. Over time, you'll notice your energy shift, and the things you desire will begin to flow into your life naturally. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content designed to help you unlock abundance. And share this video with a friend who might need a reminder about the power of emotions. In the comments, tell me, what emotions do you need to shift to align with your goals? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned, because in the next section, I'll show you why taking action is just as important as aligning your emotions. One of the biggest misconceptions about the law of attraction is that all you have to do is think positively and wait for everything to fall into place. But the truth is, manifestation requires more than thoughts and emotions. It also requires inspired action. This is the missing puzzle piece that so many people overlook. You can have the clearest vision and feel the emotions of already having it, but if you don't take action when the opportunities arise, you're leaving your manifestations incomplete. Think of it like planting a seed. You can visualize the flower blooming and feel the joy of seeing it, but if you don't water the soil, how can it grow? Manifestation works the same way. The universe will send you signs, chances, and nudges, but it's up to you to act on them. Maybe you've been getting an idea to start a business or reach out to someone who could help you move forward. Those aren't random thoughts. They're invitations from the universe to take action. The key is to start small. What's one thing you can do today that aligns with your goals? If you're trying to manifest a better career, maybe it's updating your resume or sending an email to someone in your network. If you want financial abundance, perhaps it's creating a plan to manage your current income better. These steps don't have to be huge. They just need to move you closer to your vision. When you take action, you show the universe that you're serious, and that's when momentum builds. Don't just sit back and wait for your dreams to show up. Start showing up for your dreams, and the universe will meet you halfway. If this resonates with you, hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed for more tips on transforming your mindset and manifesting abundance. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and tell me in the comments, what's one inspired action you're committing to today? Your next step could be the one that changes everything. Stay with me, because the next section will help you identify and remove the hidden energy blocks that might still be holding you back. Another reason the law of attraction might not be working for you is the energy drain caused by negativity in your surroundings. Your environment plays a massive role in shaping your energy, and if you're constantly surrounded by toxic people, cluttered spaces, or negative influences, it can be nearly impossible to stay in alignment with what you're trying to manifest. Think about it. When you're around people who are always complaining, doubting your dreams, or focusing on what's wrong in life, doesn't it drag you down too? That energy seeps into your mindset, and before you know it, you're operating from a place of frustration, fear, or lack, instead of abundance and possibility. It's not just about people either. Your physical environment matters. Clutter and chaos around you can create mental overwhelm, making it harder to focus on your goals. Everything in your space carries energy, and if your surroundings are disorganized or filled with things that don't inspire you, it can block the flow of abundance. The first step to fixing this is to take an honest look at your environment and the people you spend the most time with. Are they uplifting and supportive? Or are they constantly pulling you into negativity? If it's the latter, it's time to set boundaries and protect your energy. You don't have to cut people off entirely, but limit your exposure to negativity. And when it comes to your space, start decluttering. Create a clean, peaceful environment that feels like a reflection of the abundant life you're manifesting. Even small changes, like clearing a desk or organizing your finances, can have a huge impact on your energy. This is about creating an environment that fuels your dreams instead of draining them. If you're ready to protect your energy and create a supportive space for manifestation, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more transformational insights. Share this video with someone who might need a reminder to clear their space and their energy, and let me know in the comments, what's one change you're committing to today to remove negativity from your life? Stay tuned, because in the next section, I'll show you why trusting the process is just as important as taking action. One of the most overlooked reasons why the law of attraction isn't working for you is impatience. Many people expect instant results and give up too quickly when they don't see their manifestations materializing right away. But here's the truth. Manifestation is a process. Just like planting a seed, you can't expect it to sprout overnight. The universe works on its own timeline, aligning the right opportunities, people, and circumstances to bring your desires to life. When you become impatient, you're essentially telling the universe that you don't trust the process, and that doubt creates resistance. Think about this for a moment. How do you feel when something takes longer than you expect? Do you start to worry, question yourself, or even consider giving up altogether? That energy of frustration sends a signal of lack, which only pushes your goals further away. Instead of focusing on how long it's taking, shift your mindset to trust. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, even if you can't see the full picture yet. Patience isn't just about waiting. It's about staying in alignment with your goals while you wait. One of the best ways to do this is to practice gratitude daily. When you focus on the things you already have, you're telling the universe, I trust you to bring me more. Gratitude raises your vibration and keeps you in a state of abundance, even when the results haven't shown up yet. Remember, every delay you face is not a denial. Sometimes, the universe is preparing you for something even bigger than what you imagined. If this is resonating with you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights that will help you trust the journey. Share this video with a friend who might need this reminder, and let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're committing to trust in your life right now? Stick around, because in the next section, we'll explore how to shift your mindset from lack to abundance and supercharge your manifestations. One of the biggest blocks to the law of attraction working for you is the energy you're manifesting from. Are you manifesting from a place of lack or abundance? This might sound subtle, but it makes all the difference. When you focus on what you want, are you thinking, I need more money because I'm broke? Or I'm ready to receive wealth because I know abundance is my birthright? The first comes from a mindset of lack, while the second is rooted in abundance. The energy of lack only attracts more lack because it's focused on what you don't have. On the other hand, abundance draws more abundance because it celebrates what's already flowing in your life. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Take a moment to reflect. When you think about your goals, are your thoughts filled with worry, desperation, or fear? These emotions send a message to the universe that you're stuck in scarcity. But when you shift your focus to gratitude and excitement for what's already coming, you open the door for more. The key is to act as if your desires are already on their way, even if you don't see them yet. Instead of thinking, I'll be happy when I have more money, practice gratitude for the small signs of abundance already in your life. Maybe it's finding a spare dollar, receiving an unexpected gift, or even just having access to food and shelter. Gratitude changes everything. When you start to celebrate what you have, no matter how small, you're telling the universe that you're ready to receive more. Make it a daily habit to write down 3 things you're grateful for and watch how your mindset shifts. If this resonates with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights on manifesting your dream life, and share this video with someone who might need it. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you're grateful for today? Remember, abundance is already in your life. You just need to start noticing it. Stick around, because we're about to wrap this up with a powerful reminder that ties everything together. Now you understand why the law of attraction may not have been working for you. It's not because it doesn't work. It's because small but powerful factors, like limiting beliefs, lack of clarity, emotional misalignment, and even impatience, have been standing in the way. But the good news is, you now have the tools to change that. You've learned how to reprogram your thoughts, align your emotions, take inspired action, and shift from lack to abundance. The flow of abundance is always available to you. It's just waiting for your permission to let it in. The truth is, your dream life isn't far away. It's already within your reach. You just need to trust the process, focus on gratitude, and take the steps that feel aligned with your vision. Remember, you are the creator of your reality, and the energy you put out is exactly what you'll attract back. So, what are you going to do today to move closer to the life you deserve? If this video gave you clarity, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights on manifesting success and unlocking your potential. Share this video with someone you know who could use a reminder of their power to create abundance. And tell me in the comments, which of these steps resonated with you the most? Let's keep the conversation going, and together, let's create the lives we've always dreamed of. You've got this. Keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.